More than 150 nurses, doctors, and other staff stayed overnight at the hospital so they could make the early shift.
One of the babies was born here at UMass Memorial Medical Center. The other baby born in an ambulance on the way here.
A Worcester mother had a delivery of her own.
A travel ban was in effect except for emergency vehicles.
I didn't know if we were going to make it to the hospital in time.
And she was right. Her water broke just minutes after she got in the ambulance.
While Patricia pushed, the paramedics jumped into action. She remembers one of them catching her son's head as he was born and cutting the umbilical cord, all right here in the ambulance.
Baby Gabriel was perfect, born at 9:24 p.m. Monday.
We set up very large areas for people to stay in here at the hospital, providing cots and blankets and sheets.
Muldoon says the hospital is a regional trauma center, so serious cases have still been coming in.